Hi, I'm Richard from Taylex Tanks. We're at the Melbourne Home Show. I'd just like to show you our garden tank wall. This is our garden tank wall, which is a pre-engineered retaining wall, which also stores rainwater, and you can plant a garden on the top, so you can have your herbs and your plants on the top, and you can get creative as well. The idea is that the water from your downpipe off your roof comes into the water tank, and then you can reuse that water either to irrigate your garden or bring it back into the house like a conventional water tank. You're able to use it for toilet flushing and laundry. They're made of concrete. They're all 2.5 meters in length by 1.1 meters in width, but we do make three different height models: 1 meter, 1250 millimeters, and 1500 millimeters, which are able to be used as a structural retaining wall as well. This picture shows you a perfect application for the product, where we have a height differential, so we've used a retaining wall. We've tapped into the downpipe to feed water into the tank wall, and then we've used the water to irrigate the lawn. So that's an ideal situation. The tank walls just butt together. Very simply, they connect with a 100mm stormwater pipe, but you can get creative. You can use these as pool surrounds. You can use them as front fences. You can use them as water features. You can paint them, you can clad them, you can use that stacker stone, you can polish them back for an architectural look. They're a great height for raised garden beds. So come down and see us at the Melbourne Home Show, and if you need any more information, we'll talk to you then.